Hey everyone, welcome back to the 1% channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 3 stocks of April 2021. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, so without further delay, let's get straight into our top 3 stocks of the week. Alright, coming in at the number 3 spot, we have NextEra Energy, ticker symbol NEE. NextEra Energy isn't just a renewable energy company, it's also a utility. The combination puts it in a sweet spot for investors right now. With Florida Power and Light and Gulf Power under its umbrella, NextEra is the largest electric utility in the United States by retail megawatt hour per sales. And its NextEra Energy Resources subsidiary is the world leader in solar and wind power. Renewable energy infrastructure seems destined to continue to grow as companies and consumers move towards sustainability and clean energy. If the electrification of transportation continues to expand, the utility side will also gain from the need for more battery charging. NextEra is one energy infrastructure play that makes sense to own right now. Okay, now let's see what Wall Street analysts are saying what NextEra Energy. Based on 10 analysts' offerings, NextEra presents to be a strong buy with an average price target of $88 per share, with a high forecast of $100 per share and a low forecast of $66 per share. The average price target represents a 16.27% increase from the last price of $75.77. All right, coming in at the number 2 spot, we have Nucor, ticker symbol NUE. The leading steel and steel products company in the U.S. is a natural infrastructural beneficiary, and Nucor's business is booming right now. CEO Leon Topolian felt the need to provide an unusual business update in February due to quote-unquote positive economic trends and the robust demand we're seeing across our markets. The company followed that up in mid-March, letting investors know it expects first quarter earnings to break the previous record set in 2008. And that earnings in the second quarter of 2021 will likely set another new record for quarterly earnings. Pent-up demand in the automotive market, ongoing strength in housing and appliance demand, and data center construction, along with growing renewable energy, are contributing to the strong environment. Nucor recently announced that it'll expand its tube division with a new mill in Kentucky, partly because the location puts the new tube mill near expanding solar markets in the U.S. And Nucor isn't just selling into the renewable segment, it's also even more clean energy to its power operations. Infrastructure projects in every form use Nucor's products that range from plate, sheet, tubing, and structural steel to metal building products, and rebar to strengthen concrete. Alright, coming in at the number 1 spot, we have ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. ChargePoint is the North American leader in Level 2 charging networks, which use 240-volt power. The company says it has more than 70% market share. In its first quarterly financial report as a public company, it said it expects a surge in growth as electric vehicles become more widespread. The CEO, Pascal Romano, said in a statement that his company's prospects are quote-unquote bolstered by policy trends that continue to accelerate the shift to electric in North America and Europe. But consumers, commercial fleet operators, and municipalities around the world aren't waiting for government policy to dictate an increase in EV use. Charging infrastructure is inadequate just about everywhere at this stage in the sector's growth, bringing many opportunities. Each of these stocks has a place in a diversified portfolio, and each is currently in growth mode. Whether or not a new infrastructure bill gets enough support to become a reality, these companies are in a position to benefit from growth in renewable energy. In addition, as the company continues to bounce back and increase in strength, the steel sector, energy, and EV sales will grow. These 3 companies are great ways to play with right now. Alright, well that's a wrap for today's top 3 stocks to buy video. If you guys enjoyed these, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new videos. And finally, please feel free to comment what you guys think of my stock picks in video, so any advice will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing rest of your day. Peace!